With increasing urbanization, the city of Bhubaneswar in Odisha has shown the pathway to deal with sanitation waste. With most of its toilets connected to septic tanks, it has developed a unique infrastructure to deal with the fecal sludge generated in toilets.
All the fecal sludge was going to the river system or to any stream of water.
Everything was thought about regarding the sanitation was sewerage system, total full-fledged sewerage, laying of sewer lines.
It's a financial burden on the government, but also causing a lot of problem and inconvenience for the general public.
So that also made us to think for a quicker solution. So we found the decentralized non-sewered septage as the right solution for our state.
Moving away from sewer networks, Odisha opted for cost-effective and low-tech septage treatment facilities, building its first septage treatment plant in Bhubaneswar.
The Bhubaneswar septic treatment facility, which has been constructed in the year 2018, is having capacity of 75,000 liters per day.
Initially, we constructed the Bhubaneswar plant and modeled that as a kind of showcase.
Citizens make a requisition at the Bhubaneswar Municipal Corporation for desludging services. A cesspool vehicle reaches the household for desludging and discharges the collected septage at the septage treatment plant.
The septic treatment facility at Bhubaneswar and elsewhere, which has been constructed in Odisha, are based basically on natural system. There is practically no machineries used in this plant. The flow from one unit to another unit takes place purely by gravity.
The first of its kind septage treatment plant in India treats both solid and liquid septage separately.
The treatment consists of two distinct steps. First one is solid liquid separation. Second one is liquid treatment by Dewar system. And the liquid is treated through ABR, then followed by PGF, and then finally in a polishing pond, which has a cascade arrangement. The solid liquid separation is done by settled sludge, which is then dried in the sludge drying bed.
The sludge, which is dried to some extent, is taken to a sludge storage shed where it is co-composted with green waste. Then it is utilized for soil stabilizations. So the final effluent from the polishing pond is taken for gardening, landscaping and plantation purpose. So this is how we are treating the septage in our plant.
The septage treatment plant covers 2.47 acres of area, of which a large portion is covered by landscaping. Additionally, a solar panel powers the plant. These natural enhancements have broken the perception of treatment plants as dirty and reduced indiscriminate dumping of untreated septage into water bodies.
Here I am working as chemist cum plant manager. Actually, I am trained by CPCB.
The success of the septage treatment plant was seen during Cyclone Fani, where it was operating with no problems shortly after.
It's very simple technology. Secondly, the land requirement is very low, so we don't have any logistical problem in implementing it. Thirdly, it's the cost effectiveness. It's one of the most important things.
So it is, I think, very much suitable. So that's why we have decided that it will be scaled up in all the ULBs of the state.
So within a span of 2 years, we'll find that we have already got 12 operational fecal sludge treatment plants and 26 are being constructed now. So another 25 is also in the process of tender. So the Honorable Chief Minister of the state of Odisha has said that 114 urban local bodies at least have one fecal sludge treatment plant in the urban local body.
Today, Odisha serves as an inspiration across the country for its simple and scalable technology solutions for septage treatment.
Our FSM model is a very low technology or no technology model. Very easy to replicate, easy to understand, construct, operate and maintain. So that's a model I believe other states can adopt very easily.